Hey, welcome to Word Wrenching. Today I want to show you a little bit about how I set up my toolboxes in my shop here. So this is my main box. Up top we have deep sockets, these are washers and nuts, maybe some hose clamps, miscellaneous little things. I got tape measures, I have an extra tap and die set. We got cheek pokers and zip ties. So this is kind of just a catch-all drawer up here. This top left, I have all my Allen wrenches and keys. I have tools for cutting and marking in here. Miscellaneous tools, so we have like a file, chisel, just random little things. Screwdrivers and bit drivers are all in this drawer. This one is all of my channel locks and crescent wrenches. And then this is all automotive. It's getting pretty full here, but this is generally where I put like sealants, fittings, hose clamps, fuel line, any type of random thing specific to cars will go in that drawer. I got different types of pliers in here. This drawer is all my electrical stuff. So I have my connectors down here, tools, sleeves, fuses. Just anything that has to do with electrical is in there. I got solder, things like that. I got clamps here. And then these are all metric wrenches, extensions, and some hammers. And then I have all of my standard wrenches here. I got my socket trays here. So I have my socket wrenches. These blue are all American standard, and then the red is all metric. And then I have a whole Allen key set or Allen socket set, miscellaneous wrenches for different things, multimeter, inch pound, torque wrench. These are all air tools in here except for the torque wrench. It's just this is the one drawer it fits in. But I have all of my various air powered tools in here. Down here I got a grinder, and then I have miscellaneous tools, so steering wheel puller, timing light, I have a infrared thermometer, tap and die set, pipe bender, vacuum gauge, random things like that. Over here into this bench, I have all of my Milwaukee tools in here. And then in these drawers, we have a receipt book for the Cobra, for all the different receipts and parts that have gone into that, instruction manuals, whatnot, that my grandpa had put together. And then I have spare tools and a saw over there. And then this bench here is going to turn into probably all of my car parts that are left over are going to go into here. Sandblaster right here. And then I have all detailing equipment on this shelf. And this shelf is like a catch-all. We have solvents and rags, everything else there. And then air compressor 1, air compressor 2. We have more detailing equipment down there, and then fuel jugs and everything. But that's about it for my shop on how I set it up and how I run it. The big takeaway from this you need to know is have a system for your drawers, so you know how you want your drawers organized. So if you know you need something for electrical, I can just go to this drawer and all of my electrical stuff is in that drawer. So that'll do it for today on Word Wrenching. Thanks for watching.